In this video, I'll show you 6 little known websites hiring transcribers, translators, and captioners. Hi, my name is David, and if this is your first time watching my videos and you get value, kindly consider subscribing, liking the video, and sharing it with your friends. The common websites that are used by freelancers to transcribe, translate, or subtitle and caption videos include rev.com, which is pretty famous, TranscribeMe, that's also another good one, SpeechPad, and we also have websites like Upwork, where you can go find clients, transcribe, translate, subtitle or caption videos for them, etc. And finally, Fiverr. This is not an exhaustive list. On Fiverr, you create gigs depending on what you want. If you're doing transcription, create gigs related to transcription, captioning, etc. Or you can merge them all together, because transcription, translation, and subtitling end up in one way or another merging somewhere in between. So these are some of the few websites that are highly used and known by many people. But what about websites that are new and upcoming that are not known by many people? Which ones are these? You're watching the right video, because I'm going to show you a couple of websites that you can get transcription or subtitling and captioning and translation jobs. So website number one is happyscribe.com. HappyScribe is an automatic transcription website that automatically transcribes audio or video into text and subtitles. It supports about 119 languages. But what you don't know is, if you scroll to the bottom, and I'll avail all links to the web section where you can apply for these particular websites in the description below, so feel free to check out the links in the description. You'll notice there's a section called We're Hiring, and if you click on it, it will take you to a new page, and this new page is what you're going to get is the description, and you'll see the positions available. For example, at the time of this recording, transcriptionists are required, so you can click on that, and once you click on this particular option, you'll get the option to start filling out the form. So what they're looking for, we're looking for talented freelance transcription proofreaders and video captioners to join HappyScribe. So if you're interested as a proofreader to join this particular website, HappyScribe, please do so. Or if you're a video captioner, it's really going to get you some money, etc. Now, the only thing I cannot say is I don't know how much they're paying. So the freelance position, let's just go back up slightly about this role. It's a freelance position. If you are registered as a freelancer, then as soon as you join, you can start earning right away. You can work from anywhere, so there's no limit or there's no restriction as to where you can work. All you need is a strong Wi-Fi connection and a computer to work. Diversity of transcription captioning jobs, so we'll have the opportunity to work on different subjects in different industries. And this is what they mentioned. We are tiny at the moment. Our team of transcriptionists is still very small and are helping us build the ultimate platform. Not only will you get to work on interesting files, but you'll also be part of the early team that builds the future of language platforms. So basically, what I can recommend, if you're watching this video and if you're struggling with other accounts and all that, try HappyScribe. You might be among the few. So apply, fill out the form below, and it takes about 10 minutes. Sorry about that. So you can just come here and just start filling out this particular form. So that's HappyScribe, getting jobs on HappyScribe, so you can use that. Next up is Sonix.ai. It's another audio transcription application that's powered by AI, supports over 40 languages. It's fast, accurate, and affordable. And if you want to get the jobs, you scroll to the bottom again. And what we're looking for is careers. We're hiring. Once we click on that, we're going to be taken to a new page. So this new page is where we are going to see what jobs are available in the different fields that Sonix has. So here we go. They bring in all these good things, and we can just scroll down, and all we need to do is just look for the option where we're looking for. Let's just scroll down. Are you a transcriptionist? Great. We'd love to work with you. Join a growing number of transcriptionists that are getting new business from Sonix today. So join our transcription program. Just click on that. And once you click on that, we're going to be taken to a new page. This is what you'll get. New clients. We don't take any fee, none at all. Refers you, no fine print. Once you get a lead, you to charge whatever rate you want to your client and keep the dollars you deserve. Sonix is an online multi-user platform, which means you can easily be added into your new client transcript for cleanup. The experience is seamless. Once you're part of the program, you will be placed on the Sonix transcription page. Sonix is growing insanely fast, which means more and more clients need you for transcript cleanup. So what really happens with using Sonix is, because Sonix powers an automatic transcription service, then you may need to do this cleanup for clients, etc. So I can recommend that you fill out this and get started for free. It's free, as you've seen what they've mentioned, and terms and conditions do change, but please try and sign up as fast as possible. Next up is MultiLingual Connections. MultiLingual Connections is a website that I've worked with in the past to caption and subtitle their videos, but mostly I was doing banning in of subtitles, and they pay well. That's something I can say about them. So it's something that you can try. I've not tried Scribe or Sonix.ai, but MultiLingual Connections, I've worked with them and they're really good. So you can just test them out and you can see what they have in here. But as always, you can just scroll out to the bottom, just click on careers, so that you see what they have. So it's been on since 2005, and they offer professional translation, transcription, multimedia, and interpretation services. So we're always looking for talented, enthusiastic professionals to support our clients' need. So they're looking for people to work for them. You can check out the freelance opportunities, and depending on what time you work, just click on the linguistic application and you see what they have. So what makes a great translator or transcriptionist? So you can check these options out, and when you come to fill out this particular section, ensure that you fill out the services that you offer: transcription, translation, captioning, open captioning, really what works for you, the applications that you use, etc., depending on the kind of questions they have. Because I remember back then they'd ask you what applications you use to do your different tasks that you do, so that they can know where to position you. So that's MultiLingual Connections. Website number 4, it's AmberScript, and AmberScript is more or less like the automatic audio transcription applications or services and websites out there. And if you scroll to the bottom, you'll also see this particular option to work as a transcriber. Just click on that. Work where you want. So really doesn't matter where you are in the world. Flexible hours, payout every 4 weeks. Now this is maybe what you need to look at if you are targeting to be paid every week. This may not be the right option for you, so you can check that out. So at the moment, at the time of recording this video, note we currently do not have transcriber positions open. We'll save your application and reach out to you when there are positions open. Thank you for understanding. So you can check this out. And if you're a captioner or subtitler, we are looking for experienced captioners. Start your AmberScript captioner journey here. So if you're ready, just click on start, and you're going to start filling out the application form to become a captioner on AmberScript, this particular website. So it really depends on what you're looking for. What do I earn? So you can always see how much money you can earn per hour, and this is not $7.50. It's potentially I think this is euros. You'll be able to see how much you earn. I feel this is pretty low per hour of transcription or captioning, so you can just check out and see if this is the exact amount they pay before you decide to embark on this, because you might have to do a lot of work to make this amount of money. So just check this out and see what works for you. Next up is ZooDigital. ZooDigital is another excellent website. So if you're looking for localization jobs, and that is dubbing, translation, subtitle editing, you can check this out. So if you're looking for subtitle editing, you can work with ZooDigital. Just click on subtitle editing and see the jobs that are available. So freelance English subtitle editing. Let's see what is available from this particular website, because these are the websites that people are not talking about, but they can be a good platform for you as a freelance transcriber, translator, or captioner to begin if you're just starting out. And this is the page. Join our global network, from Hollywood blockbusters to award-winning TV series. Our talented network of freelancers provide subtitles, captions, and localized artwork, etc. So you can always apply to all this and see what is available. Hopefully, and if there are not many people available, you can easily get selected for the different jobs, subtitling jobs that are available. Finally, you can check out goLocalise. So goLocalise adapts content for foreign markets. So you can always see what's available. Let's say we scroll to the bottom and see if they're freelance for us. Just go to that option. So if you wanted to work for them, they deal with voiceover work, translation, subtitling, etc. So you can always check out these websites so that you get off the different websites where there's a lot of competition, and so that you can see if you can get yourself a good footing in the different websites. It's not bad to extend your wings and see what's out there. That's what I always recommend. And we are continuously expanding our portfolio of freelancers. We welcome audiovisual translators, subtitlers, editors, actors, broadcasters, and voiceover artists from all over the world. Please send your full contact details and let us know which subtitling software you currently own. And I've already worked on a couple of videos on subtitling softwares, including Subtitle Edit, Subtitle Next, on this channel, so you can just check that out and ensure that you apply or attach your list, a copy of your CV and your contact details, and send to this particular website. So that's it, and you can get jobs from other websites other than Rev, TranscribeMe, Upwork, Fiverr, from the following websites: Scribe, Sonix.ai, MultiLingual Connections, AmberScript, ZooDigital, and goLocalise. If I've missed any website that you're currently using, kindly let me know in the comment section below, and I'll be happy to add it in the description as a link. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope that this video is going to be of value if you're looking for new work from less crowded websites, and I wish you all the best. Thank you for watching this video, and until next time, stay safe and never stop learning. Thank you so much for watching this video.